XY HotWire interface. Software for designing ceiling polystyrene panels, RAD-PS. Radonix XYZA router interface. Support for various router machines with up to 6 simultaneous axes. Radonix XYZA profile laser cut interface. Suitable for handling complex profiles. Radonix XYZ WaterJet interface. Equipped with real-time adjustable cutting parameters and safety features. Radonix XYZ SimpleDrill interface. Highly productive, error-resistant, and operationally detailed. Radonix XYZ Router TC interface. Featuring automatic tool changing, adaptable parking system support, and precise digital output control via M-code. Radonix XYZ router interface. Keyboard connectivity, automatic park adjustment, and up to 6 work start reference points for precise operation. Radonix XYZ Plazma pipe interface. Featuring torch height control, suitable for precision plasma cutting of pipes. Radonix XYZ Plasma interface. This system supports intelligent height control for motors like servo or stepper motors. Radonix XYC SG cut interface. Supports tangent movements and C-axis for cutting the glass. Radonix XZ ring interface. Equipped with a rotary axis controlled by G-code, the system allows for complex and detailed surface finishes on metal rings. Radonix XYZABC router interface. Suitable for a diverse array of machine types, from 5-axis and 6-axis woodworking machines to sophisticated robotic arms and other multi-axis equipment. Radonix XYAC hammer interface. Featuring 3D display of the scanned object. Radonix XY sewing interface. Execution of 2D design files, DXF, without the need for G-code conversion, with repeat functionality. Radonix XY and XYZ cutter interface. Software-based correction of workpiece misalignment, especially for heavy sheets. Radonix XZA XZ Woodturning interface. The ability to select the material removal direction, either in the forward direction, reverse direction, or both. Radonix XY punch interface. Support for workpiece repositioning systems to execute designs larger than the table size automatically. Radonix XY pipe cutter interface. Ability to rotate for performing a full 360-degree cut. Radonix jewelry interface. Support for gold machining devices with up to 16 axes. Automatic calculations for spindle rotation axis, and also support for automatic tool changing and head changing systems.